Guys, remember the other video what I made? The pulsar and the quasar. I just like this pulsar and I named this pancake the pulsar, and then this is the quasar and I named this pizza the quasar. And then in YouTube already there's quasars like that. Satellites can see quasars, pulsars, anything else. That's why. And this is the sound of a pulsar. And I don't know the sound about the quasar. Yeah, I don't know. I only know about the pulsar's sound. Like that. That's how I know it only. And then I'll teach you how I did it. My daddy. Look at this. I made this for the quasar, but I did not make it for the pulsar because it's too hard. Yeah, I don't know because I did not did it. And then I would teach you how to make a pulsar. You already know, guys. Tell me in the comments if you know or no. This is a pulsar, and then I made it. Daddy helped me to make it. Look, first I tell Daddy to get two papers, and then Daddy put the paper on the circle, on this circle, and then it becomes blue. After that, Daddy wrapped this here so it looks like a pulsar. Look. Oh my gosh, it flies. And then I'll teach you how to make the quasar. You already know how to make a quasar? Tell me in the comments if no or yes. Please, do it please. And subscribe me. Subscribe to my videos, guys. And then, this is how to make a quasar. First, you need to get two papers, a white paper, and then you need to wrap to put it here, and then boom, it looks like a pulsar. And then look, you need to have a stick, and then you need to cut it into like this. You need to have a knife, and then you cut there. Daddy did it because it's too dangerous for me. And then he just put it here, and then he get it, and then after that he glued it, and then he put it there. I put it there, and then he get the other one, and then glue it again, and then put it there. I put it there too again, and then boom, the the quasar is done, and the pulsar is done. I hope you subscribe my video today because I hope you always subscribe to my videos because I like you to subscribe my videos because I always wanted to be a subscriber. And then why do you don't subscribe me? And I want to be a subscriber. I promise I want to be a subscriber, so because I'm not that rich, only because you know why I'm here in Dubai, because I traveled to Philippines to Dubai because I live in Philippines. And I'm in UAE. I got the things what I need already to make this. And then I made this. Wait. Bro, did you just wait, bro? I just don't know where is it, bro. Where's even it, bro? Bro, just wait. Just wait, bro. Is it just here? Bro, don't talk to me. Oh yeah. And guys, I made this earth looking thing. And then I like this earth, and then I have three of them already. One. Wait, this one, the first. One, two, three. I'm gonna tell you how. First, I made this. I painted it by myself. I buy this from Bazaar from UAE. And I'm a Filipino there. And then, after that, I have this. I bought this from I don't know where. Yeah, just check. I think in UAQ Mall. Yeah. I think you will see this in UAQ Mall. I bought this from somewhere that I don't know. And then I bought this too. I don't know too. Please subscribe, please. Please, 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 please. Please subscribe. I want to be rich. Okay? I want to be rich. Okay, guys? Bye-bye.